Let's work now on class discussion 2. We'll now be working with writing quadratic equations to standard form. So I want you to pay attention that this one is the standard form. We write x squared first, x then constant, set that equal to 0. So this one now is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So example 2.1, write the equation 5x squared minus 4x equals negative 9 in standard form. So our goal here is we want this to be equal to 0. So think now what will you do with negative 9 so that it becomes 0. So the opposite of negative 9 is, we say, plus 9. So plus 9 and plus 9 here as well. So 9 cancels out. So this one now would be 0. So we have now 5x squared minus 4x, okay, plus 9. Since I cannot do anything with 4x plus 9, and here this one now is in the standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So this one now is the standard form. So our goal is just to set this equal to 0 and make sure you write first x squared, bx, then c. Okay, example 2.2. Write the equation y minus 2 squared equals 4y minus 12 in standard form. So here, there are so many things that you have to do first before you arrive at the standard form. So I'll write down first, we have here y minus 2 squared equals 4y minus 12. Now I see parentheses here, so I'll try to simplify that. And the square here means you are going to multiply that one twice by itself. So I now rewrite that as y minus 2 times y minus 2 equals 4y minus 12. Now apply the distributive property here. So this one, so we have y times y is y squared, and y times negative 2y is negative 2y, and negative 2 times y is negative 2y, and negative 2 times negative 4, that gives you positive 4, equals 4y minus 12. Now in this case, I don't have parentheses, I don't have square here. I mean, let's identify like terms here. Okay, so I see like terms here. So you have negative 2y and negative 2y. Let's combine that. So you have here y squared, negative 2 minus 2. So you have negative 2 minus 2. That gives you negative 4. So this would be negative 4y plus 4 equals 4y minus 12. Now I want this to be equal to 0 now, so this one would be set equal to 0. Okay, so how will you make 4y equal to 0? We add its opposite, so the opposite would be negative 4y. And opposite of minus 12, we have here plus 12. I'll do that on the same other side. So this would be negative 4y, and this would be plus 12. And this one now cancels out, so this one would now be 0. So we have now y squared and negative 4 minus 4, so negative 4 minus 4, that gives you negative 8y, and you have 4 plus 12, so you have 4 plus 12, that gives you positive 16. And here, this one now takes the form ax squared minus bx plus c equals 0. So this is your square part, this is your x part, and this is the constant, x or y, okay? As long as you have the square part, just a variable with one exponent, and then just purely constant. So which means that this one now is in the standard form. Okay?